Hi there, welcome back to my channel. So long since I filmed an interiors video, and this is going to be an interiors video. So I've been really motivated to sort of update the house a little bit. If you've been here a long time, you'll know that we renovated this place, and yeah, it's sort of what are we now, 7 years later? So sort of things needed updating a little bit and shifting around, and I'm constantly doing that anyway. But I thought now's the right time to sort of show you what we've been doing. So currently this is the master bedroom. Currently in here, so I'm going to give you a little tour and show you what it looks like now. There's Polly the cat sleeping on the bed, bless her. So I've changed quite a bit in here, I think. So this unit came out of the study actually, and it could look more organised, but it looks like this. It's where we sort of keep all our like products and stuff, hair products, skin products, things like that. There are a couple of bits of Lego there that need to be moved because I've set up a Lego shelf somewhere else. And then over here we've got these two chests of drawers. I should have even just shut the drawers properly for the video. You get a very real tour on this channel. So these I bought from a charity shop when we first moved in, and then we painted them. So these are still the same. This is probably all quite similar. So I've got the two chests of drawers and dressing table. Just at the moment under the dressing table is all my workout gear, I've been doing some home workouts. So this is where I sit and do my makeup, and I've got this gallery wall here. And then these are probably new. I've got a bit into houseplants, so I'm trying to grow more houseplants. This here is a cutting of a plant that I've got, a prayer plant. It's grown roots. So that's super exciting. I'll show you the mummy plant now, but yeah, when I moved it that sort of fell off, so I thought I'd stick it in some water and see if it will grow roots, and it has. So there we have our laundry basket. We have a balcony off this room, and you'll see out there that I'm trying to grow some more plants. We put a TV up in the wall, on the wall, because I wanted to, because I've got quite a bad back, so I do spend some time relaxing in bed to sort of ease my back. So I wanted the TV on the wall, my husband didn't, but I won. And yeah, this is a new addition. We put this sofa up here. We do have a really nice view. This is our view out onto the beach. So it's nice to sit here in the sunshine. There's a box here in the corner which I normally have a lid for. The lid's there. It's just where I keep the hair dryers and stuff, and then we'll do the girls come down here as well, and we'll just do our hair and get ready. And these aren't normally here, but these are my sweet peas which I planted up, and they're just sort of strengthening up in the sunshine here so they can attach to this string a little bit better before they go outside. And over here, this is a new lamp. So it's just lovely in the evenings now. Then on this side of the room, we've got these two IKEA Pax wardrobes, which are so good. So much space in there. I was desperate for these when we moved in. I was so pleased to have them. And yeah, we've got this big fireplace. I think if we knocked this bit out, there would be a real fireplace behind, but I'm not up for doing that. So we've just got this electric one plugged in, which we use sort of if we have to. And then this is the mummy plant, the cutting I was showing you. So a prayer plant, they're so cool. The other side of their leaves are pretty sort of dark red purpley colour. And the leaves come up and down according to the time of day. So they're down at the moment, but they will move, and that's why it's called prayer plant. So that is huge. It grew from like a little baby, so I'm really proud of that one. And then we've just got a few family photos and things. and I've got my wax burner there. On top of here, these are just random artificial flowers, and these were flowers that the children made me once. It's just a bit higgledy-piggledy, a few memory things there. I don't know why that's there, but that's a essential oil diffuser. And this is a new alarm clock I bought, I think off Shein when I was buying the girls some stuff. And it's quite nice to be able to see the time in the night. But it's quite bright, so it's away from my bed. Yeah, and then I've just got these bedside tables, which I got from Wayfair a long time ago. They're the same, the lamps are the same, everything's the same. We've got a new mattress, but I will do a video about that. And yeah, the picture on the wall's from Next a long time ago. And yeah, there's a sleeping cat. So that's just a quick tour of our main room. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think down in the comment box below. Do give me a thumbs up because I'm trying to be more visible on here. The next video I'm going to show you is a update of our old playroom, and it's sort of like a more grown-up playroom now, as in, that sounds really wrong, doesn't it? No, but it's like, well, you'll see what it's like. It's for the children. It's still a playroom for the children, but now they're older. So anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.